Look at this little boy out here playing in the snow. He couldn't wait. Javon, Daddy. You couldn't wait to play in the snow, huh, Papa? Hey, come on. I don't want you. Oh, you all right? Come on. You all right? Come on. You okay? You okay? Come on. This is why I want you to be in the car already. You good? All right. We're gonna go. Yeah, we're gonna go later. Not right now. Ready? Hey. He love going sideways, man, in the Hellcat. So you like the Hellcat, right? What you like about the Hellcat? Like the supercharger? Yeah. What's the noise the supercharger make? You being shy now. All right, so we got little man dropped off. I gotta run and do a couple things today, but while we driving, I just want to give y'all a quick little update on the giveaway situations because I've been having a lot of people ask me about it. So if y'all didn't watch the PS5 giveaway video, right? Our giveaway is at 5K. So my goal was to try to get to 5K before December 21st, so that way we could get that PS5 away to somebody before Christmas. That didn't happen. We gained quite a bit of subscribers, but we didn't get to that 5K range that I wanted to, which is cool. I'm gonna still give one away at 5K, but I feel like I should give something away around like 3-ish. So I was thinking about doing like a Series S, Xbox Series S at 3K, but y'all gotta let me know what y'all want to do. Y'all gotta let me know if that's something y'all be interested in or not. Or I was gonna maybe give away like a PS5 controller, some games, and a couple subscriptions. Yeah, I just gotta pretty much, yeah, just let me know what y'all think I should do, man, because I'm really not gonna give away that $500 system until I get around like that 5K range. I feel like that's fair enough for everybody, and I'ma still use that same list of people who commented and like that video. So that's still the plan, to give away that PlayStation at 5. So other than that, I just feel like I probably should give some. I wanted to give out like a controller, a PS5 controller. Maybe the charging station, a couple games maybe to somebody. Maybe give out like 5 things at 3K. A controller, a game, the charging station, and then there's a couple other accessories that came out for the P5. Or maybe y'all want an Xbox controller or some accessories for the Xbox, or some games for the Xbox. I haven't figured out what I'm gonna do yet, but just make sure y'all stay tuned, because I'm a random, usually like when I'm in I'm always in like a positive mood. So sometimes I'm just like, you know what, I'm gonna just go ahead and get this away, get that away. So make sure y'all just stay tuned, because I randomly just give stuff away, and most of the time I'll post it on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram or Snapchat, mainly Facebook or Twitter. So make sure y'all just pay attention to one of those platforms, because I'll be dropping something pretty soon. But the main thing I'm waiting for today is I ordered something, and it should be here today. So I'm gonna do another video by the time I get home, and it's for the car. So I'm mad excited for this, because I'm tired of getting the inside of my car dirty. So hopefully that give y'all a little clue about what it is. And the Hellcat been driving good. Same old. Been a lot of snow. I've been having to brush off, but nothing crazy, man. Car been crazy warm after like 6 minutes of letting it warm up. And it's been driving, like I said, just been driving just as normal as it was in the summer. Obviously on the side streets is where snow is still like patted down on the street and stuff. It's not, the trucks don't go down the side streets and stuff. So that's my only problem. And honestly, I don't even have a problem with that, because the car literally just rolls right through it. So no problem at all, man. Jellycat getting right through the snow real easy. I'm headed to my bank because I had an issue yesterday with the bank trying to deposit some bread, and it took my bread and my money. It took my bread and my card. So now I gotta make this trip up here to the bank to get my bread back and my card. So that's where we're headed right now. Today I do got it in eco mode. When the weather kind of bad like this, I don't really like driving a lot in the 707 because it's just not necessary. I really don't go over probably like 50 miles an hour just because all the streets and stuff is bad. So no need to pop it in 707. Sometimes I do just to play with the paddle shifters to slow the car down better. But for days like this, man, where it's just cloudy, foggy and all that, I just leave it as is, man. That you gotta be, it's not about how you drive, man. You gotta watch out for other people. Other people just can't drive. They lose their license as soon as the snow hit or as soon as rain start coming down. Like, they just don't know how to drive like this dude right here. Yeah, I pretty much keep it in this mode right here, man. I just keep it in regular mode. Keep it in auto and eco. And I just whip around a city like this while I'm working. Y'all see my gas mileage. My gas mileage is terrible. 9.8 miles per gallon and 147 miles on a full tank, bruh. Listen, if you ready for this life, man, I'm just letting you know this life is different. 147 miles to the full tank though? Bruh, you better have gas pockets. I'm telling you that right now, because this joint don't take nothing but gas. You probably gonna spend more on gas than mods. I'm gonna keep it 100 with you. More on gas than you gonna spend on mods, which is crazy. But then again, if you chose this life, you already know what's up. You already know what to expect. I chose this life, so I knew what time it was. And honestly, for me, the gas is bad, but it ain't that bad. I'm still feeling, oh, why is there so much traffic, man? Don't tell me the train up here. Okay, nah, everybody's just not driving. But I'm doing pretty good. Yeah, I'm only getting 9.8, but I'm only filling up once a week though, which is really not that bad. I was filling up once a week on my well, now I'm filling up. Let me correct that. Now I'm filling up once a week. I was filling up twice a week during the summer and like fall, spring. Now I'm only filling up once because I'm not driving as much as the snow is down. I'm in the crib more. I'm only going to like certain stores near my house. I'm not going to long distance stores, so I'm not driving as much, which is I ain't complaining about. I'm still getting paid, and I'm driving less. So it's only taking me it's only costing me gas once a week now, which is great. Yeah, I'm only getting that little bit of mileage, but hey, if that mileage get me from Monday to Friday or Monday to Monday, I'm cool with that. Or Monday to Friday, either or, I'm cool with that. That's all I need. I don't need nothing more than that. You can't expect that much from a Hellcat. So. Oh yeah, so also what I want to talk to y'all about is they got the red eye up on the on Dodge webpage now. I went and spec one out real quick. And it's crazy. I paid like 81 and change for this. When I spec'd out the red eye with the same stuff, but just with a different color, right? That joint came to 86. There's only $4,000 more, but the payment is ridiculous. Twice what I'm paying. So on a lease at that. The monthly payment like 3 times what I'm paying. So, or I would say like 2.5 what I'm paying. So, I mean, for that 90 more horsepower, it's not that bad as far as the total price, but the monthly price right now on the red eyes is crazy, obviously, because they just dropped. It's not a hot selling month for them. It's winter time. They're not really selling that great. But when I tell y'all I spec one out the same way I spec this out, just with a different exterior color, that joint only came to 86. So let's say about 5,000 and some change more than this car. And that's not too bad for the red eye. And it come with new wheels too. They got like some carbon black lightweight wheels that I actually like them joints. But if they came in the brass monkey, I would have got them joints. I probably would have ordered them and just swapped them out with these ones, because they do got some new wheels. I like them joints, how they look. But my spec was the frostbite blue exterior. Y'all already know I gotta get the peanut butter in the inside. So I got the peanut butter in the inside. With the carbon black lightweight wheels, got the carbon fiber accents with the suede headliner and the sunroof. Same exact Harman Kardon. I got the same exact build, and it only came to 86, so it's not that much more, but I mean, you're gonna spend about $5,000 to get from actually you probably would spend less to get to 797 horsepower. Now that I think about it, for about 5-6 grand, you probably would spend less. But it was just cool to go in it. Literally did that just to get in front of me, bro. Fucking ignorant. It was cool just to build one, just to see how much more it'll cost. The car, I mean, you know, the car is exactly the same. Nothing's really changed other than the internals on the motor. And the wheels, I really like the wheels though. They look really similar to the first style Hellcat wheels, but these, they look they just look a little nicer. You could tell they like lightweight wheels. They just look nicer. They still 20/11. I was like, damn, I might end up copping those in the long run or something like that. I think I want the red eye hood though. A lot of people say they like this hood better, but for some reason I like the bigger snorkels on the red eye, and they pushed up towards the back of the hood, which I like. It's my boy right here. That is my guy. Hey, my guy. He don't even know him. He don't even know it's me. Oh, he trying to get over lanes. My boy DeVere, man. If you watching this, bro, I just seen you trying to switch lanes on that thing, boy. You need some tint for sure, bro. Definitely get some tint on that thing. You'll be looking clean. But I think that's it for this video, man. I just wanted to give you a quick update, talk about a couple little things about the new red eye. They should be dropping in the lots real soon now that they got it on the webpage. Also, I built a Durango too. Durango came out to like 92. That joint was, ooh, the Durango hard though. Got the red seats. I got the Destroyer gray color, because that's pretty much the best color they had. They don't really got no good colors for that Durango. They got like this teal blue, which looked pretty nice, but it looked too dark to like, it's not enough pop on that color. It's more, honestly, it looked like the new, actually, you know what? Nope, that's nowhere near the color. I was finna say like the new iPhone 12 Pro color, but nope, that's like a greenish. But yo, yeah, I built the Durango as well, and I ain't really like no colors that they had. That only color that really was like lit to me was that Destroyer gray. They had that nice red. That teal blue was that real dark blue was nice too, but it just didn't have enough pop for me. It just didn't pop enough. But Durango should be hitting lots a lot right now too, and them joints is them shits is lit too. So, but that's all I got for y'all today, man. Stay tuned for the next video, because I'm about to install a little mod in the car. Shouldn't be hard, but y'all know, as always, man, stay safe, stay positive, stay motivated, baby. I'm gonna see you on the next one, man. Peace.